Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks and I have a wonderful beauty treatment for you today. Okay, now if you're suffering from wrinkles, dark spots, okay, darkness under your eyes, big pores, freckles, acne, well, if you have any of these issues, stay tuned for this video where I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful toner that's going to take care of all of that, okay? All of that, and give you that wonderful bright glowing skin that you die for, that you just want, okay? Okay, we want that beautiful glowing skin. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it, and it's simple. Now, what I'm going to do is show you how to make this wonderful toner using parsley leaves and lemon. Or you can also put apple cider vinegar in it as well. What this is going to do is whiten your skin. We're talking brighten those dark areas in your skin pigmentation. It's going to whiten your skin and clear your skin, okay? It's going to get rid of all of that, leaving your skin with a healthy shine to it. Now, to prepare this toner is simple, and you use it every day. You can use it twice a day, in the morning as well as the evening after you've washed your face. Now let me explain why I'm using parsley in this wonderful homemade toner. Now the parsley is rich in vitamins and minerals, and the juice of the parsley contains essential oils which are high in potassium and magnesium. Now this also can be used as a remedy to break fevers, renal illnesses, urinary tract illnesses, diabetes, eye inflammation, and fatigue. The cosmetic companies have been using parsley in their ingredients for so many years because of its whitening and regenerative properties. It eliminates the redness, annoyance, and distension. It's going to whiten the skin or lighten the skin. It's going to refresh it and strengthen it. This is also wonderful for under your eye area, that sensitive area. It's going to help get rid of those dark circles. Now for those of you who have problems with acne and blackheads, well, this is going to do it as well. It's going to get rid of the blackheads and eliminate having acne. So now that we've already gotten the preliminaries of the wonderful benefits of parsley and how this is really going to benefit your skin, let's get into the kitchen where we're going to prepare this, okay? Okay, you guys, so let's speak a little bit about the ingredients you're going to need for this concoction. All right, you're going to need a glass jar, okay, because you're going to have to store this mixture in your refrigerator. So you're going to need a glass jar. Okay, you're also going to need a half a lemon, okay, because we're going to be needing at least a teaspoon of either lemon or a teaspoon of your apple cider vinegar, okay? Now, it's either or, okay? You can either use the lemon or the apple cider vinegar. Whichever one you have is okay. So if you're going to use the apple cider vinegar, you're going to be needing a teaspoon of that or a teaspoon of your lemon, okay? Now this is my parsley that I made with another recipe that I was doing. I finally chopped it, and then I used 2 tablespoons. So you're going to need 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. And you're also going to need 200 milliliters of water, okay? So that's all you need, you guys. Plain and simple. All right, so let's get back to the video. Okay, so we're in the kitchen. Now what we're going to do is start off with 200 milliliters of water, and that comes up to be about 3/4 cup. So we're going to put that into our pot. Next, we're going to also use our parsley, and this is already my chopped parsley, and we're going to use 2 tablespoons of that, okay? So there's 1. And we're going to turn the flame down to make it simmer. Okay, so now that our parsley is in the water, we're just going to turn the flame down really low and then leave this on for 15 minutes to simmer. Okay, and I will be back. Okay, you guys, so we are back and we are ready. So right now we are going to be using our jar for the storage of the solution. Now what you're going to need to do is strain your fluids now. Okay, so we're just going to pour this inside of our jar. Okay, you're going to let it cool and then strain. Now you're going to use your lemon. Okay, so I squeezed the lemons inside my little jar, my little glass thing, and you're just going to need 1 teaspoon. And there we have it. Now you're going to store this in your refrigerator, and this is good for at least, I wouldn't keep it in there more than 2 weeks, but you're going to keep it in your refrigerator. Every morning and every evening you're going to use this, and what this is going to do is going to shrink the pores on your face. It's going to clean and whiten your skin, and I mean lighten. Because of the properties that parsley has, this is going to help with freckles, dark spots, and it's going to make them disappear, and you'll have a clear, beautiful complexion once again. You use this twice a day, and after a month the spots will disappear. So you're going to rub this on your face. Now if this is for underneath your eyes, you're going to eliminate the lemons and just use the parsley juice, okay? Then you're going to soak a cotton ball in the solution, put it on your eyes every morning and night, allowing it to act for at least 5 minutes. Okay, so you're going to leave it on your eyes, underneath your eyes, for at least 5 minutes every day if you're using it for the eyes. Now if you're using it for your face to fade the dark spots, the wrinkles, you know, you're going to either add the apple cider vinegar or the lemon juice. But if this is just for your under eye circle, you will leave out the lemon juice and the apple cider vinegar and just use the parsley juice. And thank you so much. If you have any questions, list them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.